Welcome to the meditation session. You do not need to worry if you have never done meditation in the past, because this is going to be a very easy and relaxed session. Make yourself comfortable. Sit in a position that you're comfortable, on a chair, on the mat, on your bed. Take a deep breath in and let it out gently through your mouth. If there is any part of your body that is uncomfortable, let it be soothed. Sit in a way that you do not feel any pain, that you do not feel restless, that you feel calm and relaxed. There is nothing to worry about. There is no need of any urgency. Everything is okay. It's your time. It's time to relax and to practice mindfulness. Take another breath in. Count 3 in your mind. 1, 2, and 3. And let it out gently through your mouth. Breathe in and breathe out. Focus on your breath. Focus on how your breath enters your body and how it leaves your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Focus on your breathing. Breathe like waves, in and out, in and out. Breathe in a way that is relaxed for you, not too fast nor too slow. Fully exhale through your mouth or through your nose. Exhale away all the stress and worries while you inhale pure energy, pure air. Pure energy and pure air that you inhale goes into your body. It completely refreshes every part of you. You feel so much better. You feel so much lighter. Focus on your breath. There is nothing to worry about. There is no need to think of anything. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Imagine a beautiful white light in the shape of a circle coming close to you, to where you're sitting. That white light is pure light. It's made of pure energy. It has healing and regenerative powers. Slowly, the light enters your body. It fully covers all of your body. All of your body is now inside that beautiful white light. You feel a different sensation in your heart. You feel ecstatic. You feel calm. Your heart is beating in a rhythmic tone. Inside that white light, every part of you, of your cells, are getting healed. You feel so calm. You feel so much better as every part of you is getting healed. All the cells are healing, getting regenerated, getting refreshed, getting revitalized. You allow yourself in that white light. You feel calm and better as the white, pure light heals your body. It heals your emotions. It heals your mind. Stay here for just a few more seconds, allowing the beautiful white light to completely heal you. Now, imagine that the white light is disappearing slowly. It has done its work. You are completely energized, healed, protected by this divine light. It shrinks and shrinks, and finally it disappears right before your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out through your mouth. Focus on your breathing. Take another breath in and slowly breathe it out. Breathe out with force. Breathe out all your stress that is remaining. You are completely energized and healed. You're aligned to your divine being. Thank you for being a part of this meditation. I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to more sessions with you. Thank you.